Let me guess. You've got stuff to sell, a messy apartment, and absolutely no time to make it look Instagram worthy. Been there? Let me show you how I turned my cluttered corner into a photo studio using AI, minimal code, and a single tool to tie it all together. Full disclosure, my apartment is definitely not winning any interior design awards here. But I'm on a mission to sell some items, reduce clutter, maybe embrace the whole minimalistic living vibe, you know? The problem? No one wants to see a dustbin in the background of a product photo, especially if they're trying to buy the product. These days, AI is automating everything. So naturally, as a developer, I thought, why not use AI to quickly develop a solution that automatically produces eBay-ready photos with zero clutter, crisp lighting, and a professional background. I started with free open source tools, like REMBG to remove backgrounds, another Soda model for captioning, and different library for post-processing. Let's just say it involved a lot of cloning repositories, installing random dependencies, and rummaging through PyTorch, TensorFlow, basically going down a massive rabbit hole. While these tools are amazing, juggling all of them felt like an exhausting job. As a developer relations engineer at LandingAI, VisionAgent was obviously on my mind. Think of VisionAgent as a giant intelligent toolbox that not only hosts state-of-the-art model for object detection, segmentation, captioning, and much more, but also automatically picks the best model for your task based on the image and prompt that you provide. Since everything runs under a unified single interface, there's no need to sift through repos, endless documentations, or configure model manually. That all boring stuff is taken care of. But here's the thing, I didn't want to jump straight to VisionAgent. I wanted to experience firsthand the pain of building this app using traditional LLMs to better appreciate what VisionAgent truly brings to the table. We start with a messy photo and use prompt-based object detection to identify the primary object of interest that we want to sell. This detection is then passed to the Florence 2 SAM2 instant segmentation model, which removes the background and replaces it with a clean white backdrop, leaving only the foreground object. Next, we adjust parameters like contrast, brightness, and sharpness to clean up the foreground object. After that, an LLM called via API selects a curated background from a folder. You know, those sleek, grayish, minimalistic backgrounds that you see on Amazon and eBay. And finally, the function that actually creates the magic. We composite the item with the professional grade synthetic shadow effect. And boom, fancy product shot ready to go. VisionAgent explored multiple approaches to solve the problem, including image and painting. But I kept the process simple and picked only the necessary code to build the architecture I showed you earlier. Once I had the generated function, stitching them into a Streamlit app was a cakewalk. Feel free to check out the code using the GitHub link in the description. And of course, contributions are always welcome. And there you have it, my entire journey from ew, messy apartment to oh, that's so neat. The full documented code is on my GitHub. Check the link in the description. Like this video if you found it helpful, or even if you just enjoyed watching me panic over my dusty socks. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss out on the next cool visual AI trick. Until then, I'm off to declutter my apartment, but hey, at least the photos look good now. Cheers.